PhilMorCan Press. Hello world, I'm Chantal Magracia. I'm both an author and an educator, and I love sharing what I know. If you'd like to support us, you can do so by subscribing, following, liking, and sharing these accounts. PhilMorCan.com, Facebook.com/PhilMorCan, Instagram.com/PhilMorCan, YouTube.com, subscribe to PhilMorCan, Amazon.ca, search for Chantal Magracia, coming soon. Step 1. Complete your manuscript. Your ideas are just ideas unless you put them on paper and actually completed your manuscript. Finish it first before you think of doing anything else. Don't get sidetracked. Joyce Carol Oates said, "The great enemy of writing isn't your own lack of talent, it's being interrupted by other people. Constant interruption are the destruction of the imagination. We'll begin with short stories because things that you can finish and show other people, that's very satisfying and necessary for a writer. What we all need is a satisfaction of this little uplift that we get psychologically from finishing something. Art is the highest expression of the human spirit. Art is the way that we communicate with one another. So if anyone is listening to me who feels that he or she is a writer, you probably are." Margaret Atwood said, "If you really do want to write and you're struggling to get started, you're afraid of something. Remember, it's only you and the page. The waste paper basket is your friend. It was invented for you by God. Any form of human creativity is a process of doing it and getting better at it. You become a writer by writing. There is no other way. So do it more, do it better, fail better. Somewhere out there are the readers for your book." So for myself personally, I prefer to type my manuscript on Google Drive because it's accessible anytime, anywhere where there's internet, or there's even an option to make your document available offline. And also you can download your document as the following formats: Microsoft Word, open document format, rich text format, PDF document, plain text, web page, and EPUB publication. So you can watch the whole playlist on YouTube. So basically, this is the Joyce Carol Oates on writing, which I will link down below. And this is the Margaret Atwood Teaches Creative Writing, which I will also link down below, as well as the playlist that I'm talking about. So on YouTube, I just searched Writing Literature Masterclass ad. And actually, just watching these ads, they already give you the best motivation. So I really love this playlist. I will also link the playlist down below.